Hello MEH teachers. I'm going to demonstrate how to log into Scoogle in order to sign up for the MEH calendars. So the first thing I'm going to do is type in my username, and then I'm going to type in my password on the Scoogle login page to go ahead and get started. Okay, now when my calendar loads, I'm going to choose the month view because I think it's easier to get an overview of what has been signed up for the computer labs. So by clicking on month, I will be able to see the month view. And if I look around, I can see some things that are already highlighted in terms of computer labs. So if I look over here, I can see that these computer labs are color-coded, and these colors represent all the different computer labs that are currently booked right now. So let's say I'm a teacher and I want to schedule a computer lab with my students. So first thing I would do is I would look for the day that I want. Let's say it is September 21st. Let's say it's Friday coming up and I would like to take my kids into the computer lab. So what I would do is double click on that day and I would go ahead and create my event. Let's say this is Mr. Lands Flex. Okay, I would uncheck this and I would create my time. So let's say I want this from 12 o'clock p.m. to maybe 1 o'clock p.m. just as an example. Now, for where, I can come over here to this button that says Rooms. When I click on Rooms, it shows me all of the options that are available for that day and that time. So I see that all of the computer labs are available during this time. So I can choose which computer lab I would like to sign up for. In this case, I'll add Computer Lab 218 and it automatically adds it right in here. Okay, then I can choose Save and it pops up right here for me. It says 12 p.m. Mr. Lands Flex. Now, if the computer lab was already being used during that time, let's say I want to go back and try to sign up for the same time, I could click here to create a new event, and let's say I want to try this Mr. Lands Flex, and I want to add rooms. Now since this is checked on all day, it only has 2 available computers. Let's say I change the time back to 12 o'clock p.m. Now if you notice, MEH Computer Lab 218 is not available right here because I previously just signed up for it. So that means someone is currently using that computer and I have to schedule another computer lab. Now if you happen to show up on a day when there are no computer labs that are available, it means that all the computer labs are currently booked for that day and that time. Okay, so I hope this helps to clear up some confusion on how to schedule the computer lab for any given day, and hopefully we'll get a lot of you into the computer labs working with your students.